If you're a freelancer, you're already a business. But have you considered leveling up and becoming an LLC? Before we go over the benefits of having a limited liability company, please give this video a like. Press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there were approximately 59 million freelancers in the US last year. That's almost 36% of the total workforce. Many operate as sole proprietors, but there's a better way. Becoming an LLC. By forming an LLC, you're providing a legal separation between yourself and your business. You are also protecting your personal assets, such as your home and personal bank accounts, in case something goes wrong. And what about taxes? An LLC can potentially save you thousands of dollars each year. According to the Tax Foundation, the average freelancer pays a self-employment tax rate of 15.3%. But with an LLC, you can choose to be taxed as an incorporation, reducing your self-employment tax liability. But setting up an LLC can seem complex, time-consuming, and frankly, daunting. That's where we come in. Our organization is here to take the burden off your shoulders. We are legalregistration.com. Our experts can handle all the necessary steps to form your LLC, including filing the articles of organization, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an employer identification number. We've assisted thousands of freelancers to transition to LLCs. Our team is standing by to take your freelance career to the next level. Protect your assets, save on taxes, and let us take care of the paperwork. To get started now, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team. The number is 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of having an LLC? Which one do you think would benefit you the most? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.